Nederlandia. Simon van den Burg, Ambassador of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. Hello, this is your mic. Okay. Okay, let's do it this way. Here you go.
Hello, Sophia Pride. We are diplomats for equality. We are here to support you. Equal opportunities for all. That's what we are promoting. For us, it's important to be here together with you, and we wish you a happy Pride.
Сега ще поканя Катрин Банън, посланник на Ирландия. Catherine Bannon, Ambassador of Ireland.
Hello, Sophia Pride. How are you this evening? So delighted to be here. The people of Ireland are celebrating with you today in Dublin, and we are so proud of the journey that Bulgaria is going on for equal rights. So have a great day and happy Pride.
И на сцената ще поканя Натаниел Копси, посланник на Великобритания. Nathaniel Copsey, Ambassador of the United Kingdom.
Здравейте! Здравейте! Много се радвам да съм с вас днес, че ние сме толкова много! Равни права са изключително важни за нас всички и пожелая ви честит Прайд! Благодаря!
Благодаря. И сега, след като считаме София Прайд 2025 за открит, е време да започне нашето шествие.